guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. I'm taking this 12 by 12 sheet of paper and tailor-made card for you paper pack, Mrs. Daisy. So I'm going to fold it into half from both the sides, just like that. It's a 12 by 12 inches sheet of paper. Okay, and it's a very easy card, guys. You're gonna love it, I'm sure. So I'm just going to cut from this side. You can choose any of the side you want to cut, and I'm slightly gonna cut a little bit more from the same edge. So just like that, I'm going to cut so that you can easily fold it. So after that, you're going to wrap it like this. So you can do like this, or you can do another way, the way you like it. After doing this, I'm going to take open it, and I'm going to make it a little bit vintage, because Darcy are looking to me like as if a vintage color forms. So I'm just going to spray a little bit. If you don't have this brown shade, you can use the coffee as well. And now the easiest way, I'm going to tell you another method how we can do it. So I'm going to spread these on the glass, just like that, and I'm going to add a little bit water after spreading it, and I'm going to put my paper on it, just like that. Okay, it's gonna print on a whole paper. And if you don't have again the brown color, you can use the coffee. And after that, you can fold the way you like it. I just let it dry. You can use your heat gun to let it dry. I'm going to fold in totally in different way, but it's your choice how you want to fold it. So I'm folding it here, and I'm going to paste this paper pack. You can get it from Tailor's Made Card for You. The link is given in the description below. So I'm going to paste all these things just like that, postcard and this thing, and I'm using my glue to paste it. I'm going to use my black lace. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm also going to use my dried flowers, this one. Oh, it's pretty, picking up the dried flowers and pasting it on your project. It's really pretty, but they are fragile somewhat, but I love to paste them. So I'm going to paste it, and if you're from India, you can get it from Amazon. In other countries, these are available somewhere. So I'm going to paste this as well. Now to give a 3D effect, I'm using my double-sided tape here, and I'm going to paste this Mrs. Darcy photograph, and I'm also using this as a dry flower, and I'm pasting it with the double-sided tape as well. So after pasting the flowers with the help of double-sided tape, we are moving onwards to inside decoration. So for inside, I just opened the card, and I'm going to use my punches, tag punches, and I'm going to make the tag. And I'm also going to use my this thread for the tags, and it's a lovely thread. I got it from Itsy Bitsy. You can get it from any market or clothes market from your area. It's easily it is easier to find anywhere. Now I'm going to put these two here, and this is the lovely pocket. Already got it from the paper pack. So you just need to fold the edges from the lines, as you can see, and it has inside tags as well to put in the pockets. It's available with the sheet. You can get it from TaylorMade's Card for You, and I just put it over here. And when I open it, I already put the rest of the things. So it's done now, guys. You can decorate it more, just like I did. I hope, guys, you like this video. If you like it, please do the thumbs up, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.